Actually, it is interesting to think about what XPPEN did not include in the box this time, like the wireless remote with all the shortcuts that you can use in conjunction with a tablet. The remote is not included either. Another missing thing is the pen case. Most XPPEN products nowadays are shipped with a sleek pen case where it holds the pen itself, in addition to the extra nibs and nib remover, etc. And while all these stuff are included here, they are just sitting there in the package. Now, do you really need those? Honestly, you probably don't. What they include, however, is this pen clip that can attach to the top of the tablet to hold your pen. Now for the pen, it is the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, with industry first 16K pressure levels. But what does that mean on paper, or on tablet I should say? It actually doesn't mean much. It just means it is a great pen. Don't get me wrong though,